Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best 20V vacuum filter is probably one of the most underrated accessories for your Dewalt 20V vacuum. Keeping your vacuum running at peak performance is crucial, and the filter plays a vital role in that. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Dewalt 20V vacuum filter, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for any user. We'll also cover how to maintain it, so your vacuum can always perform at its best. Number 5. Dewalt DCV581H DCV580H Shop Vac Filter. This filter is designed to perfectly fit the Dewalt DCV581H and DCV580H 20V Max Shop Vac cleaners. It's suitable for both cordless and corded 2-gallon wet-dry vacuum models. This ensures a seamless fit and optimal performance. The filter is made from high-quality HEPA washable pleated filter paper. It's been rigorously tested by the manufacturer to ensure its effectiveness. This filter is built to last and provide superior filtration. This HEPA filter captures 99.97% of dust particles as small as 0.3 microns. It's perfect for cleaning up various debris, including sawdust, wood chips, and dirt from job sites, cars, or trucks. The filter is washable and reusable, offering professional quality at an affordable price. The filter has an outer diameter of 4.2 inches and a height of 4.5 inches. It weighs 8 ounces. The package includes 2 filters, providing you with a spare. We prioritize customer satisfaction. If you're not completely satisfied, you can request a replacement. If you have any issues with the filter, please contact us through our Amazon homepage. The filter is made of FSC certified paper. What we like. This filter is designed to be washed and reused, saving you money in the long run. It captures 99.97% of dust and debris, ensuring a clean workspace. If you're looking for a cost-effective and efficient solution for your cleaning needs, this is the one for you. What people say. They are easy to clean and use. They still provide great suction to the handheld vacuum. Perfectly fit in my smaller Dewalt shop vac. Very pleased with the high quality and ease of installation. Works and fits like it should. Number 4. Dewalt DC5151H Filter Replacement. This filter is compatible with Dewalt DC515, DCV517, and DCV517B 1/2 gallon wet-dry vac models. It's a direct replacement for part number DC5151H. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your vacuum. The DC5151H filter uses high-performance pleated paper to capture 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. It's designed to handle tough jobs, effectively collecting fine debris like cement dust, wood shavings, and drywall particles. Get great value with this washable filter. Its durable design allows for easy cleaning under running water. This makes it a cost-effective choice for all your cleaning needs, from fine dust to wet spills. Replacing the old filter prevents clogging and maintains your vacuum's performance. For best results, we recommend replacing the filter every 2 to 3 months, depending on how often you use it. We prioritize customer satisfaction. If you have any issues with the filter, please contact us. We offer a 90-day warranty or refund, and our after-sales team is ready to assist you. What we like. This filter offers high-performance filtration, capturing even the finest particles. Its washable design makes it easy to maintain and reuse. If you work in demanding conditions with fine debris like cement or drywall dust, this filter will keep your vacuum running smoothly. What people say. Perfect fit, works great, was able to blow the dry sheetrock dust out of it to clean it for continued use, held together well. Bought a replacement so I can continue to work while one filter dries after rinsing. Didn't like using a wet filter this way. I have a clean dry second filter always ready. My portable Dewalt vacuum works much better with this new clean filter. Number 3. Dewalt DCV5801H Vacuum Filter 2-Pack. This replacement filter is designed for your Dewalt wet-dry vacuum models. It ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your cleaning tasks. Make sure it is the right one for your vacuum. The pleated design of this filter increases the surface area. This design improves airflow and reduces clogging, allowing for more efficient cleaning. It helps to keep your workspace clean. This filter is easy to access, remove, and replace. You can easily wash it with a faucet or water rinse. This makes it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice. Made from washable pleated filter paper, this filter effectively captures dust, sawdust, and other debris. It keeps your work area clean and protects your vacuum cleaner. When your filter is clogged, replacing it is essential. This will reduce dust and protect the vacuum cleaner's motor from damage. Ensure the best performance of your vacuum. What we like. The design of this filter features a larger surface area to improve airflow and reduce clogging. It's easy to wash and reuse, keeping your workspace clean. If you value ease of use and want to maintain optimal vacuum performance, you should consider it. What people say. I installed one of the filters in the Bauer vacuum and it fit perfectly. Great value and fit the Dewalt shop vacuum well. Easy of cleaning, quality. Number 2. Beilan 4-pack HEPA filter for Dewalt vacuum. This replacement filter is compatible with Dewalt DC5151H, DC515, DCV517, and DCV517B wet dry vacuums. It's designed to fit perfectly and ensure optimal performance. This filter will help keep your vacuum running smoothly. The package comes with 4 HEPA filters and 2 small cleaning brushes. This provides you with everything you need to maintain your vacuum. You'll have plenty of replacements on hand. For the best results, we recommend replacing the filter every 3 months. This will help maintain the vacuum's suction power and efficiency. Replacing it regularly ensures a cleaner environment. The filters are brand new and easy to assemble and install. You can quickly replace the old filter without any hassle. It's a simple process to keep your vacuum working at its best. Please note that this is not a Dewalt OEM product. The use of the brand name and model designations is solely for demonstrating compatibility. It's a reliable replacement option. What we like. This filter comes with cleaning brushes, making maintenance even easier. It's designed for easy assembly and installation. If you want a complete package with added convenience, this filter is a great choice. What people say. Good alternative to Dewalt-made filter. Couldn't tell any difference in performance. Cleaning tool is useful too. Work great, fits the Hercules portable vacuum perfect. I can verify it works with the 20-volt Hercules, Harbor Freight, portable vacuum. Number 1. Dewalt N445836 vacuum HEPA filter. This is a genuine Dewalt replacement part. It's designed to ensure your vacuum cleaner operates at its best, maintaining its original performance. The filter is brand new and comes in bulk packaging. This means you're receiving a fresh, unused part ready for installation. This is an original equipment manufacturer part from Dewalt. Using this ensures the perfect fit and function for your vacuum. Always refer to your owner's manual for the correct part number. The manual also provides instructions for proper installation. Make sure this filter is compatible with your vacuum model. Refer to the product listing for a complete list of compatible models. What we like. This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring the highest quality and compatibility. It's designed for durability and reliable performance. If you prioritize using original parts for your vacuum, this is the perfect option. What people say. By design, HEPA filters are a premium product meant to capture fine particles like metal shavings and sawdust. Buy as many extra filters as you need so you can cycle through them, then clean them in a batch at regular intervals. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.